Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. I'm with my friend and subscriber and neighbor, Dhaval.
Hey guys,
How are you doing, Dhaval?
I'm good. Ryan, how are you?
Alright. So you would have seen the thumbnail and you know why I'm here. But congratulations, Dhaval.
Thank you so much, Ryan.
You guys are going to see what he's bought, and he's got such an awesome deal. So stay to the end of the video. We'll talk about the price and all the details of the bike as well. So Dhaval, give us some brief of what you've bought, and then I'll show them exactly.
So this is a 2018 Triumph Bonneville. It was bought from a private party. The bike is just like 8,000 miles ridden, and it's a 900cc legacy cruiser bike.
Okay, let's take a look.
Door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much.
Okay, here's the beautiful bike, and you'll see some B-roll of it, which I will shoot. So Dhaval, this suits you really well, yeah?
Yep, thanks, Ryan.
And I love the color, the orange and off-white, right?
It's off-white orange. This is basically a dual tone color
Yeah.
that Triumph offers for $500 extra if you go out and buy it from a dealership.
I'm quite bored of just seeing the black bikes everywhere, you know. Even Harley Davidson people buy only black, you know.
Yeah.
Mostly.
I have one of my neighbors. He is actually right there. He has a Harley Davidson. I think it's one of your bikes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to talk more in detail, and Dhaval actually got such a fantastic deal, $6,500.
Yes, $6,500 right outright, paid in cash. It was a private party. If you go out at dealership, they're not going to charge you less than $10,000 for the same year bike.
Yeah, so a same year bike 2018 with about the same mileage would be 10,000. He got it for 6,500, and that's why he actually bought the bike even before getting the registration done. So he bought the bike even before registration.
Yeah, so my registration is actually, because of the COVID season, the DMVs are just coming up. So my registration is due in September. Just because I got a good deal in a very good condition, I thought of just picking it up, and I was like, we'll see what happens in September.
Yeah, so that's what you call real passion, because he doesn't have a license yet or a registration, but he found the deal to be great. And I knew in the last video we talked about him buying a bike, but you know, everyone says I'll buy this, buy that, but nothing happens. So Dhaval, congrats on keeping your promises.
Yep, thank you again, guys, and thanks, Ryan, for shooting me for the video.
Yeah, so you've ridden the bike a little bit, right?
I alternately ride the bike in my apartment complex on parking. The only reason, as Ryan said, I cannot go out because I do not have plates.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see how things roll out in September.
So let's start it up and listen to it, and I'm going to sit on the bike, and I'm also going to take a small round around the parking if Dhaval doesn't mind. You don't mind, right?
Absolutely no worries.
Okay, so he trusts the way I ride. The color is nice, yeah. So feels very comfortable. In fact, to be honest, Dhaval, this is the first time I'm sitting on a Triumph.
Triumph?
So
Yeah.
Raj has a bike, but I've never sat on
the
it.
bike.
But this feels so good, man.
It is. I believe Raj has 120. That
Yeah.
is the 1100 or 1200cc. This shares the same engine as a Street Twin, which
Street
is like
Twin.
a 900cc.
Right.
But it has ample of torque, even at first and second.
So
gear.
it's amazing for short city and also long. You can do like
Yep.
a 100-mile ride without worries.
And that was one of my reasons what I told you, that I want to go closer to 1000 and not stay in mid 500s.
Yeah.
Because in case if I have to go to cities, not cities but highways, the bike shouldn't struggle even on the highway.
Yeah. So, you know, coming from BMW with such a huge tank, this tank is much more, you know, I think realistic. It's smaller, and it's so well designed, you know, the structure, and it's all looking so new and nice. So, you know, I love the color. I just love the color. This orange is amazing. What size tank is this?
I think it's 14 liters.
14 liters, so whatever, 3 gallons.
3
probably.
gallons,
Yeah.
3, 4
Oh,
gallons,
4 gallons probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 to 5 gallon tank. So obviously the GSA has a much bigger
Much bigger
tank.
tank.
I was coming on the GSA, but I was going somewhere, so I brought the car
Brought the
today.
car.
Yeah, maybe we'll do another video. I want to do a video comparing Raj's bike with your bike.
Yeah, that's going to be awesome.
Yeah, so Raj has a 13-year-old bike. Check out some of my videos if you want to see his bike. So this is awesome. So what plans now? Basically, the license is next.
My
And,
first plan is to
registration.
get a helmet.
Yeah.
And I was chatting with Ryan the other day on what helmet should I get. So helmet is going to be my first plan. The following week is going to be my license, and the following week is going to be the bike registration once I get the
So I
license.
think by
By-
October end, everything should be
Not really. Maybe the week of Labor Day weekend.
okay.
That
Okay.
I should be sorted by then.
Yeah, because
The following week.
before winter sets in, he should have at least. You should do at least 500 miles
Exactly,
before winter sets
exactly.
in. So the service history and all is good with the bike.
The service history was clean. In fact, on the flip side, he never took it to the service center.
Okay.
The guy said he went to the Triumph showroom, got the filters, got the oil, and he used to service all by himself.
Okay.
Which is good. I mean, that means the bike is really taken care of.
Nice. So it's important to check service history. You know, just getting a deal is not important. You rather pay a little more on a clean bike. And remember, a bike which is not ridden is not necessarily the best bike to buy. You should always buy a bike which has been used, maybe not 50,000 miles, but at least the person should ride a decent amount so that you know the bike is in use and not just junked up, you know.
Like I saw a same bike, but the tone was blue and white. That was in Brooklyn. It was the same year bike, but it was only driven like 858 miles.
Yeah.
So which is even less than 1,000 miles. So
Yeah.
to Ryan's point,
Yeah.
you need to have something that the engine is running
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's in motion.
These machines have to be run, you know, it's like a aircraft, you know, the Boeing 747.
Right.
The longer it's on the runway, the worse it is.
The
It's
worse it is,
built
yes.
to be in the air, same way these bikes are built to be ridden. So when you're buying a bike, don't just buy a showpiece bike because you're getting a good deal.
I know it's closing if I just stand still. 'Cause you won't wait forever.
But Dawal, was this your first choice of bike? You had other options for bikes also, no?
I had other options. In fact, Royal Enfield was my first option.
Right.
Because it was actually fitting in my budget without stretching even a single penny. After reading few of the blog posts, I came up to a conclusion that Triumph should be the bike rather
best.
than Royal Enfield.
Yeah, yeah.
Even though they belong from the same England or UK, those both bikes are UK bikes, but still.
And you had a bike in India, right?
I did have a bike in India, or I still have a bike in India, but that's a like 100cc bike.
Okay.
So it's a huge jump for me from 100 to 1000.
It's a huge jump, but it's a great jump.
Yep.
I think you're gonna love it.
I'm sure.
You know, it must be very frustrating that you're not able to ride the bike.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. And to Ryan's point, I was kind of keeping my feelings inside since like 1.5 years of not buying. But with all the COVID season,
Right.
everything that the shit hit the fan.
Yeah.
So that's why I thought of getting it.
Yeah. No, good. Sometimes you just have to dive in and take the decision.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
The more you wait and research, there are a lot of bikes on eBay and Facebook Marketplace too, but
Right.
they are high risk.
They are high risk, and the biggest risk is the bikes are mainly like damaged. So you have to be careful looking at all the chassis and if the chassis are intact and things like that. So that's why buying bikes are really
Yeah. You know.
a thoughtful decision.
Yeah.
It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try.
I mean, the roads are good here, so you don't have bikes which are screwed up on the suspension and all. But
Right.
some people don't know how to maintain their bikes. They
Yep.
sell it. They've not serviced it. It's like anything you buy. You need to check the history of the service, and getting a good deal is secondary. You have to
Yes.
get something that you feel even when you resell it, you should get probably more than,
yeah.
you should get more than 6,500.
Yes.
Okay, I think enough gyan. It's time to take a small round. Obviously, the bike is not registered, so we have to ride in the parking only. Oh, it felt good. I was first ride on the Triumph. All right, that was the bike. It rode very well. Actually, thanks to Dhaval, I'm riding a Triumph for the first time, which was a great. So Raj, if you're watching this, you need to let me ride your bike also. I'm too big for this bike actually.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, because it's a short bike
yeah.
and mainly cruiser, and with Ryan's personality, adventure bike suits him a lot.
He means with the big overweight size, I think.
No.
But this is perfect for your body.
It is.
I
It is
think,
perfect
yeah.
for my body.
So Dhaval is, obviously fit and just perfect for this bike. Dhaval is going to give us some more specifications, so all you Triumph fans or potential Triumph buyers can take heed of what he's saying.
Yeah, so this bike comes standard with ABS, USB. Below the seat. There is also a clock over here. As you can see, there is a trip meter, mileage of course, then clock, and then you can on and off traction from the instrument panel as well. Apart from that, as I said, it has the same engine as Street Twin.
Right.
You also get an optional heated package, like the
grips,
heated grips,
yeah.
which I wasn't a big fan anyways, because I anyways going to wear a gloves.
No, but think about it later, because when I ride in 0 degrees and all, even the gloves don't help.
Okay.
But you can buy a glove with the heated pads
got it.
or the battery they have.
Okay.
So that will be cheaper.
Got it. As I said, ABS traction. I've kept the silencer stock because I love staying close to the stock. There are actually two saddlebags as well, but I didn't thought of bringing it along with the bike, so I just left it with the previous owner.
Yeah.
Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now.
There are a lot of bag companies where you can mount the bag at the
Right.
back of your seat.
Right, and that's why you have this handle over here. There is basically a clip that goes below this handle, and then you just tighten it up.
Right. Awesome, yeah. It looks so good. I would love this as a second bike
Yes,
actually.
yeah, I know.
So, I've been thinking about a second bike which is kind of lavish. Maybe next year I'll look at it. But
Right.
I'm happy with the BMW, so I don't want to change the BMW. But I miss my Harley Davidson. So next year I'm thinking maybe a smaller bike, Harley Davidson 883, which was
Sure.
my first bike that I bought. So maybe something like that, or if Harley comes out. But next bike, second bike will be very low budget and probably pre-owned.
Pre-owned.
Yeah. So getting pre-owned, you lose the depreciation. You get the benefit from the depreciation a lot.
It does, but it also depends what kind of deal you get, right? Like this bike has literally lost $4,000. Not that this bike actually loses $4,000, but the seller was selling it for the lesser price. So, but the depreciations for bikes like these BMWs are really less.
Oh, BMW resales are awesome also.
Yes.
I mean, I saw a 2017 GS being sold for 16 grand, which is pretty,
impressive.
the rate has, the price has,
Right on.
Harley Davidson depreciation is very high.
In fact, I saw GS, I believe 700cc bike that was selling for almost close to $9,000.
Yeah.
I don't even try.
So yeah, if the bike is well maintained and you have a bike that's in demand, obviously Triumph is always in demand. Triumph, BMW are really competing with Harley Davidson. In fact, they must be doing even better. Harley Davidson sales and the price model is totally, out of most people's budget.
Right.
And Harley, most people associate with elderly, more of an older crowd,
Older crowd, and then you can see older crowds basically cruising on the highway with their Harley group.
Oldie doesn't mean me, okay? He means older.
Older.
Yeah. Anyways, Dhaval, all the best.
Yep. Thank you so much, Ryan.
And wishing Dhaval many safe miles. Please buy a good helmet, buy
Yes.
a good jacket,
Yes.
good shoes.
Good shoes.
Because
Yes.
most of bike accidents happen below the waist.
Below the waist.
The most of the damage is your legs or your thighs or your lower
Ankles and stuff.
abdomen areas.
Correct.
So people think it's the head and the shoulders which get damaged or the body parts. It's mostly below the waist. which are the most impacted on a accident.
Accident,
Yeah.
yes.
So
Very
buy
true,
good
Ryan.
safety gears.
Yes.
You said you're looking at Alpine Star or
Alpine Star is one of my options. The other option is also LS2.
LS2.
But
the
again,
helmet.
these are just options. I'll have to research because my head is weird. It's like a gold shape, so I'm
Oh.
got to make sure that
Yeah,
the
yeah.
helmet fits me well.
Yeah,
It's like
and-
a snug fit
yeah,
and not a tight fit.
it is important to buy a little tight fit because when you break in the helmet, it will feel loose,
Feel loose,
later.
yes.
Anyways, you guys know all that, so I'm not going to talk too much about safety. Dhaval, thanks again for your time.
Yeah, thanks, Ryan,
and
for filling me.
please don't ride till you get your license
Indeed.
or registration.
Indeed.
Guys, if you like this bike, please comment below what your thoughts are on this bike, the price, the deal that Dhaval got. Also, please like, share, subscribe, and please hit a thumbs up for Dhaval.
Yep. Subscribe, guys.
Thanks.
Alright, take it easy.
Bye. Take care.